Check out our newest feature release. We now have amazing actions and triggers for your IVR system. So, what are the IVR actions and triggers? Well, our CRM now features an interactive voice response system, which is referred to as IVR. And this is going to allow you to set up automated phone interactions for your business. If you're not familiar with what IVR is, this is basically a feature that when a business or a person calls your phone number through our CRM, you are now going to be able to give them the option to push 1, to push 2, push 3, etc., and get them to the right department or person that they want to work with. Why this matters and how this is going to help you. Well, just like basic IVR, this is going to allow you to interact with callers on a much more personalized manner. It's also going to allow you to direct calls to the right department or even the right person with ease, allowing you to streamline your appointment bookings, cancellations, rescheduling, and so much more through these automated prompts. So let's get started. First, I'd like you to go to automation and make sure that you are in the workflow area of automation. And go ahead and click on plus create workflow. We're going to go ahead and start from scratch. So select that option in your screen. We need to make sure that we start with an IVR trigger. So click add new trigger and then select IVR. Just a quick little personal tip, when I'm selecting something and I know what I can start to type in, I will actually type that into the search to make it a little quicker and save myself some time. Now you're going to customize all of these settings and you're going to go ahead and start with customizing the filter. So in filters, select in phone number. This specifically means that this is all going to happen during a phone call. Now, the next thing that you need to do after you set everything up on that trigger is you're going to need to select an action. And this one is specifically gathering input on a call. You're going to click on the please select action, and you want to find gather input on a call. Now, you're going to go ahead and customize the action. You need to put in the action name. You're going to either type or record your voice message. You are going to go ahead and set up some specific settings, and you're going to let the system know how many times you want this to loop. And then, to be honest, we have a 5 in the bottom, but personally, I am just leaving that one blank. Now you need to go ahead and select the and if else action. So go ahead and click please select action and then choose if else. Now from here, you are going to be able to select and customize what you need. You're going to be selecting digits, but it gets a little bit difficult as you're getting there. First, you're actually going to look for the area that relates to IVR. Once you select that, and it's right where those digits are, you're going to go ahead and make that second selection, which is all about IVR again. And from there, you're finally going to be able to select digits. Then you are going to go ahead and select another option, which is specifically is. From there, we're going to go ahead and add another batch, and we're going to add this as many times as we'd like. On the new branch for each digit, you will have as many of these as you have phone numbers or departments, etc. Once you select the new IVR actions available, which are one of the 3, say or play message, connect to a call, or record voicemail. Now, I'm going to explain what each of these is. They're fairly self-explanatory, but just in case. So, say or play message is where you actually can type in a message, or you can upload a recording. And that is going to happen when they push that option, when that option is added. The second option is connect to a call. This is where you are going to be able to connect this phone call to any one of the users within your system. So it's immediately going to be transferred to their phone. The last is record a voicemail. Now, maybe you don't want to actually take these calls. So you want this person to leave a voicemail for you. So you are going to go ahead and record that request for a voicemail, and then this is going to give them the option to make a recording for you. The last thing is always to test and go ahead and refine your workflow. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.